Hello everyone, just gotta look up a quick number here real quick and see if it goes through. Now I did get a Skype number so that they can call me back if they have to, and hopefully this connection works better than the last video from yesterday.
Thank you for calling support. This is John. How may I help you?
Hey John, I got a pop-up on my PC I need help with.
Okay, so you're getting a security alert notification?
Yes.
Hold on.
Did you just say that's me?
Okay, you there?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, now tell me, what exactly you have on that message?
It says, do not close this window and restart your computer. My registration's blocked. Says I'm using pirated software.
You were trying to open something, like what were you doing before you got this alert?
I was trying to look up pornographic material.
So you was online?
That's how you get pornography.
You was on, I'm sorry?
So of course I was online. How else do you get pornography?
You was watching porn?
Yes.
Why are you watching porn? You know it's strictly prohibited?
It's
Illegal?
strictly provided illegal. What are you talking about?
The porn virus, right now you might getting a porn virus in your computer. You was watching a porn online and suddenly you might got some malicious files or maybe hackers connected on your computer. Due to that, your computer can get crashed, get compromised.
Oh God.
So
This guy's an idiot.
I can help you to fix this problem, but you need to follow my instructions. You need to give me the access of your computer in order to fix it, okay?
Okay.
And is this a laptop or it's a desktop?
It's a desktop.
Have a look on the keyboard. On the keyboard, all the way down at the bottom,
Mm-hmm.
left-hand side, there is a window key you have.
Is it the 4 white square-looking boxes?
Yes. You need to press it and hold it down. While holding it down, press R as in Robert. Okay, and what do you have there?
It says open, and it's got a box for me to type in.
I want you to type in there in lowercase I. I as in indigo, B as in echo, X as in x-ray, P as in Peter, L as in Larry, O as in orange.
O as in porridge?
It's O as in orange.
Oh, okay. O as in orange. Got it.
R as in Romeo, E as in echo. Then give a space, then type go, G-O, go. Then 2, number 2. Then catch, P as in Peter, A as in apple, T as in tomorrow, C as in Charlie, H as in Henry, .com.
And then I press.
Hit OK then.
Okay. So there's a remote connect thing on my Windows.
Okay. And what do you have on that screen? You see step 1. I will give you 6 numbers. You need to type in there, okay?
Okay.
Hold on. Stay on the line.
I'll stay on the internet.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
That's 278136. And on the step 2, check the box. There's a box says I authorize. Click the box. Done?
Yes.
You did?
Yes.
Okay. And on the step 3, click on connect. Right. You got something on the very bottom left hand side. All the way down at the bottom left side.
Okay.
There is a file downloaded, sir, called connect and the numbers.
Yeah, he changed the image. I think he's working on my computer in the background. Because I can't see nothing. Uh-oh. I don't know what's going on with my phone, but this is the second day in a row where my phone is acting up. I was hoping to be able to get that guy. I had a lovely background for him to see. I mean, it sounded Indian, or I had a picture of an Indian girl on my background, and I just wanted to see if that would mess with him, but unfortunately it didn't work out as I had hoped. So sorry guys, so hopefully maybe I'll try again tomorrow and see what happens. So